Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!
Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and to all my drama llamas, welcome back. When you see this and my wallet, you know what time it is. It's end of the week time. Time to take out what I had left. This week I don't have a lot of bills left, and you'll see in a moment why. So we have 10. This Saturday I will be filming my stuffing of my wallet. So let's go to extra shopping money, and we have 50, 60, 65, 70 and 75 this month. So that will be it, plus then the 70 of the 5th week that we don't have. So let's take out. That will be on Saturday, because today is a big day. Let me take. Whoa! Oh, it's the 26th. And what did I promise you guys? I would open this. But before we open it, let's finish off all these minis. Tinies. Sorry, tinies. Let me take out the gold marker and let's start. So we changed it to €1 per dot. So for this one we need 1, 2, 3 plus, for finishing the challenge, I don't have my bell, but ding ding ding, 5. So 4 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 1. Okay, 4. Next. Oh, this one was from CBA Mom Saves. I want to be fast, but slow down. We'll get there. This one is from Lil's World 733. We need 1, 2, 3 and 4 plus the ding 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 is 5. So 2, 4 and 5. Let's put this in here. Oh, you see, it's really full. Oh, I'm so curious to see how much is in there. Next was this one, also from CBA Mom Saves. It needed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus the ding 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 is 6. So 2, 4 and 6. 2, 4 and 6. Next up, this one is from Our Simplistic Life. We'll do that at the end. So this one from Blessed Budgets by Abigail, and this needed 2 plus 1 for the ding 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 is 3. So 2 and 3. Then next up we have Craftco budgets, and we needed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 plus 1 for the ding 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 is 10. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 going in to the piggy bank. And last but not least, Our Simplistic Life. Let's see how much we have left. So we need 1 for the ding ding ding, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Like this, so we know it's, I will write it down, €9. And ding, ding, ding. So these are the last ones going in, you guys. Ooh. Putting the last ones in before we open it up. Oh, oh. If you look close, you see, it's really filled to the top. I have to put them sideways to get them in there. Okay, you guys, are you guys ready to see what's in there? Let's open it up. And you guys, I bought a new one, but this one is with a top that I can open, so we don't have to buy new ones every time. There we go. I didn't open it yet. This is... I'm so nervous. Let's see. Ta-da! Whoa, you guys. This is amazing. Okay. I have... Let me sort this and I'll be back. Leave me a comment. How much do you think this is? Oh, this is sharp, so we have to be careful. And there we go. Everything is sorted. Now we can start counting. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 2, 4, 6, 8, 14, 4, 6, 8, 15, 2, 4, 6, 8, 16, 2, 4, 6, 8, 20, 2, 4, 6, 8, 80, 2, 4, 6, 8, 90, 2, 4, 6, 8, 100, 2, 4, 6, 8, 110, 2, 4, 6, 8, 120, 2, 4, 6, 8, 130, 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, 50, 2, 4, 6, 156. 156. So we got 165. Sorry for the noise. Okay, next up are the ones. So 5, 6. So 66 times 1. So 66. Oh, sorry for the noise. Now let's start with counting the 50s. And a half, 37 and a half, 37 and a half. So we got 37 and a half. Let's go to the next. And next up is the 20s. 1380. So 1380. Okay, so 1380. Now let's count the tens. 6, 7. So 370. Okay. Okay, and last but not least, the 5 cents. 10, 320, 330. So 330. So let's see how much we have all together. Let's. So it's 10, 15, 23, 10, 22, 5, 8, 30, 22, is 8, is 11, 17, 18, 8, 1. So 280.30. Let me count this and come back to you. Okay, so I got me a tracker for how much is I put in the bank for vacation, and I'll put this in the binder with my name here. So every time I put something in the account, I can write it down, and I will keep you updated now. For moving, I only have yesterday, so the 25th to I gave a gift to the people that helped me, and I didn't count them in for my gifts with Christmas, so I took it out of here because they helped me so much with the move. I had to pay cleaning. I had to supplies for my house and to clean my house and my apartment. I had one at each place, so I had to buy more. I bought lamps. Lamps are so expensive, you guys. 40 euros, and I didn't have all of my house covered yet, so I have to invest some more. Then I had to go to the dump. It was 20, and I still have to repay my dad for going to the dump. I paid my dad's gas to drive from and to the dump and my house because I don't want him to pay. I bought new toilet seats. 30 euros for each seat. It was so expensive. I bought me a microwave. I had to give a deposit and then I had to pay the rest. And I still had a gift card from my other microwave that broke. So I didn't have to pay that much for it. Then I paid one guy that came and helped me move 50, and then for Christmas, the other that helped, I also give 50. So you guys, you see, even with small amounts each day, you can save a lot. I want to thank everybody, every one of you who keeps on coming back and watching my videos. And a Merry Christmas, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.